everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got an exciting topic that I want to share with you all. How I created a well-disciplined classroom in just 30 days. Okay. Now, if you're a teacher looking for tips on classroom management, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Day one, setting the foundation. On day one, it's all about setting the right foundation for your classroom. This starts with a warm welcome, clear expectations, and establishing rapport with your students. Greet your students with a smile, make them feel welcome. Clearly outline your classroom rules and expectations. Get to know your students as individuals. Show that you really care about them. Day seven, consistency is the key here. By day seven, we're focusing on consistency. Your students should know what to expect each day, and you must be consistent in your actions and responses. Establish daily routines so your students feel comfortable and know what's coming. Address any disciplinary issues promptly and fairly. Recognize and reward positive behavior consistently. Now, let's talk about effective communication. Be an active listener. Understand your students' concerns. Encourage open discussions to resolve conflicts. Be clear in your communication so there's no room for confusion. All right. Now, that was day 15. Let's move on to day 21, engaging lessons. Now, by day 21, your well disciplined classroom will benefit from engaging lessons. All right. Now, make your lessons interactive and engaging. Keep the students involved, keep them motivated. Incorporate hands on activities and group projects. Get them up and moving as much as possible. Okay? Show the real world relevance of what you're teaching. Very important here. All right, moving on to day 30, celebrating success. And finally, on day 30, it's time to celebrate the success of your well-disciplined classroom. Okay? Highlight your students' achievements. Celebrate their growth. Have a little celebration in the classroom. Throw a popcorn party or a pizza party. Okay? It's a great way to bond with your students. Reflect on the progress you've made and keep the positive momentum going. All right? Now, by now, your classroom should function as a well-oiled machine. All right. Creating a well-disciplined classroom in 30 days is entirely possible with the right strategies and a lot of dedication. Remember, it's all about setting the foundation, being consistent, communicating effectively, and keeping your lessons engaging. Your efforts will pay off when you see a classroom filled with eager and well-behaved students. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.